Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by lush green forests and sparkling rivers, lived a young girl named Lily. Lily was known for her cheerful heart and gentle spirit. Though her family wasn't wealthy, they had a cozy cottage where laughter and kindness filled every corner. Lily spent her days helping her parents with chores, but her true passion was baking. Every morning, she would gather wild berries and herbs, adding them to her homemade bread, filling the house with delightful smells. One bright morning, while exploring the forest near her village, Lily noticed something unusual among the wildflowers. Beneath a glimmering ray of sunlight lay a loaf of bread, shimmering as if sprinkled with golden dust. Lily picked it up, marveling at its beauty. Its warmth spread through her fingers, and the smell was like a mix of honey, fresh rain, and wildflowers. Just then, a soft voice spoke. Startled, Lily looked up and saw an old woman standing nearby, wrapped in a cloak with silver hair flowing over her shoulders. "Hello, Lily," the woman said kindly, her voice like a whispering breeze. "I see you have the magic loaf." Lily's eyes widened. "The magic loaf? What does that mean?" The old woman smiled, her eyes twinkling. "This loaf is special," she explained. "It has the power to grant wishes, but only when used selflessly. If you make a wish for yourself alone, the loaf will lose its magic. But if you make wishes to help others, it will continue to bless you." Lily listened carefully, nodding in understanding. She held the loaf close, feeling its gentle warmth, and promised the old woman she would use it wisely. The woman nodded approvingly, then disappeared into the forest as mysteriously as she had arrived. With the magical loaf in her hands, Lily hurried back to her village, excitement bubbling in her heart. That evening, as she lay in bed, she thought of all the good things she could do for her family and friends. There were so many people in the village who needed help, and Lily's mind was full of ideas. The very next morning, Lily decided to make her first wish. Her thoughts went to Mrs. Willow, her elderly neighbor, who had been unwell for weeks and could barely leave her bed. Lily held the loaf close to her heart, closed her eyes, and whispered, "I wish for Mrs. Willow to be healthy and happy again." As soon as she made the wish, the loaf glowed even brighter, filling the room with a warmth, comforting light. Later that day, Lily visited Mrs. Willow's house and found her sitting outside in her garden, humming a tune and basking in the sunlight. Mrs. Willow was delighted to see Lily and thanked her for the basket of freshly baked bread she had left at her door. Amazed by the loaf's magic, Lily felt encouraged to help more people. She began to look around her village with fresh eyes, noticing the hardship that others were facing. There were several families with young children who struggled to find enough food every day. Moved by their plight, Lily held the loaf again and whispered, "I wish that every child in my village will have enough food. Once more, the loaf shone brightly, and over the next few days, baskets of food started appearing on the doorstep of families in need. The villagers were overjoyed and spoke to the mysterious gifts with wonder. Children ran and played, full of energy, and Lily felt a deep sense of joy, knowing she had brought smiles to so many faces. Her next wish was for her parents, who had been working tirelessly to make ends meet. Lily could see these lines of worry on their faces and knew how hard they tried to make life comfortable for her. So, one evening, she held the loaf close and whispered, "I wish for my parents to be free from worries and to feel happy and light-hearted." That night, her parents laughed and danced in the kitchen, their worries forgotten. They shared stories from their youth, and Lily saw a sparkle in their eyes she hadn't seen in years. Her heart was full of love for her family and pride in what the magic loaf had done. Days passed, and with each wish, Lily felt the magic of loaf fade little by little. She began to notice that the glow wasn't as strong as it had been. Worried, she remembered the old woman's word. The loaf magic would not last forever. She began to realize that perhaps true magic wasn't about making wishes come true, but about using her own hands and heart to make those around her. One day, as Lily held the now faintly glowing loaf, she decided it was time to use her own talents instead of relying on magic. She wanted to make a difference that wouldn't disappear when the magic was gone. Inspired by her love of baking, she came up with a plan to bake enough bread to share with everyone in the village. She started baking early each morning, kneading the dough with care and filling each loaf with love. As word spread around her plan, villagers began to gather at her cottage, eager to lend a hand. Some brought flour, others brought milk and eggs, and together they formed a small community of helpers, all working to bake as much bread as they could. The day of the village feast finally arrived, and people from every corner of the village came to enjoy the fresh bread. Tables were set up under the trees, and the smell of warm bread filled the air. Laughter and music echoed across the village, and as people shared stories and danced, Lily felt her heart swell with happiness. She didn't need the magic loaf anymore. She had found something even more powerful: the joy of giving and the strength of her community. As the last loaf was shared, Lily noticed that the magic loaf had vanished. In its place, she found a small stone with a message carved into it. True magic lies in kindness and the joy of giving. From that day forward, the villagers were closer than ever. They continued to help each other and often gathered to bake and share bread. Lily grew up to be a beloved baker, teaching others to make bread with love and kindness. And though the magic loaf was gone, its spirit lived on in the hearts of everyone in the village. Lily's story was passed down through generations, reminding everyone that true magic comes not from wishes but from a generous heart. And so, the village thrived, born together with love, kindness, and the simple magic of sharing. Moral of the story: true magic lies not in wishing for what we want, but in giving to others and working together. Thank you for watching the tale of Lily and the magic loaf. We hope you enjoyed this story and learned something special. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Little Story Explorers for more magical tales and meaningful messages. Watch more videos. Explore more stories filled with fun adventures and valuable lessons. Click below to continue watching. See you in the next story.